Welcome back. We're doing the taste testing of our peanuts. Let's get into it. First of all, the cashews. They look super fresh and they smell super fresh. Let's take them out. They are super fresh. 9 out of 10. Let's go to the mixed nut. Really fresh produce. I will give it a 9 again. Please do check out the details of Earthy Nuts in the caption, and also like, share, subscribe and follow me on Insta please. Let's try the pan masala. Sweet, crunchy, fresh. I love it. Love. 8.5. For the chia seeds, we are going to our recipe setup. Let's get into it. I'm going to make a yogurt bowl of chia seeds. Let's do that. Adding chia seeds to the yogurt. Now adding some bananas, a little bit of honey, mixing them up, and voila, we have a fresh yogurt bowl. Let's give it a taste. Super fresh, super crunchy, super yummy. 9 out of 10. Bye.